just live with it, just like allergies and a bunch of other things. Yay me! Stuck in traffic with my cough. And you wonder why I wear masks anyway, right? Because people think, oh, he has COVID! He's diseased! Lock him up! Lock him up! Yay! Yeah! Anything we've been through, woo! And you wonder why I want to get into the metaverse, or I want the metaverse to be successful and well put together. Because what if you could just go where you wanted to go? Almost like a teleporting device. Yay! 1 minute I'm here and the next
Likey